Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and back cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then disconnect the connector to take out the wireless pad. And also disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the logic board frame by undoing 6 screws. Next, disconnect and take out the front camera from the logic board. If you have a broken front camera, replace the front camera with a new unit and start closing the device. Next, take out the logic board. First, loosen 4 connector plugs attached to the logic board. And then undo 2 screws and gently lift the board using a pry tool or tweezer. Next, disconnect and pull out the telephoto camera. Next, disconnect and pull out the 2-in-1 wide camera and depth camera plugs from the rear side of the logic board. Next, place the new depth and 2-in-1 wide camera modules on the board. Next, place and secure the new telephoto camera. Next, place and secure the logic board on the frame. Next, place the front camera to the board. Next, fasten 4 connector plugs to the board. Next, secure the logic board by adding 2 screws. Next, secure the logic board frame by adding 6 screws. Next, add the SIM tray, and then place and secure the wireless pad to the board. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, before closing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are using binding clips to tie in the back cover to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.